that TV is like, जैसे home theaters में होता है ना, these kids connect the TV to YouTube and they start playing my YouTube video. Not a day before Eid, please. My mom is watching and my dad is watching, and I kid you not, she started laughing hysterically. And then she's not telling anything. I am like, inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un, gone case. These kids decide to play another video, and guess who is motivating them? My dadi. I think it's like the entire zoo is in my stomach, like literally. My mom is going to washroom, I'm going with her to the washroom. Dad is just lying down there silent, like he's not said anything. From the time he saw the video, till that time has not said anything, and that thing is eating me up. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the story as to how my parents came to know about my YouTube channel. So the thing is, I started my YouTube journey in the last week of February. Like, I uploaded my first video on February 27th. So, usi week, I started my YouTube journey. And if you belong to a Desi family, then you guys know the amount of pressure we have. And the thing is कि there is a possibility कि हाँ आप कोई proposal लेके जाओगे आपके parents के पास and वो हाँ भी बोल सकते हैं, but what if they tell no? What if you get scoldings? What if whatever lifestyle you're going on, what if वो भी affect हो जाएगा just because you asked for that thing? And that, yes, just because of that reason, because I was scared of the reaction my parents are going to give me, मैंने नहीं बोला, मैंने बस start कर दिया because I have YouTube का कीड़ा from like school days. I love I love creating content, I love shooting videos, and I've grown up watching YouTube, to be honest. So yeah, I just started and मैंने सोचा कि once my channel is at a certain level, at a certain position, and once I'll get a brand deal, okay, that's when I thought कि once money starts coming in, that time मैं बोलूँगी, क्योंकि money is power, power is money, money, if I'm earning well, then yes, my parents are going to be happy for me, they'll agree. So that was the plan, but did anything happen according to the plan? Nope. Fast forward, ये था February last week की बात, ठीक है. Now let us fast forward to March 30th, ठीक है. I celebrate Eid like मेरे पापा के side की family के साथ, so we go to his native place, which is a very cute village. We go there and to celebrate Eid, ठीक है. एंड ईद के एक दिन पहले मैं मस्त हूँ गाइस. आई एम लाइक आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि हाँ मैं ईद व्लॉग बनाऊंगी, तो आई एम जस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग, वेरी एक्साइटेड, आई एम गेटिंग माई मेहंदी स्टेंसिल, आई एम डूइंग द लास्ट मिनट शॉपिंग. मैं मस्त इसमें हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन फ्यू आवर्स. सो देन at around शाम के टाइम में ना we went to our father's native place. It's like it was a 30-minute 40-minute drive. We go there, ठीक है. Now starts the interesting part. I enter and I met my dadu, I met my dadi, and वहाँ पे ना बच्चे भी हैं and everybody. So I met everybody, and then one of my cousin, she just comes out of the room and she goes like, अरे हम तो आपका ही वीडियो देख रहे थे. And then I'm like, what? Shit, not today, not right now, not a day before Eid, please, no. And then what happens, she just says that and my reaction is good, that's all, that's my reaction. And then she comes and then she sits, and then my brother goes like, what video is she talking about? So I just tell him, some video, I don't know, I think it's some old video. Yeah, that happened. And then after that, I thought it will stop there, but it didn't stop there. Like my dadu dadi, they have a huge TV. Like, oh my god, that TV is like, जैसे home theaters में होता है ना, इतना बड़ा TV है, ठीक है. And then these kids, they connect the TV to YouTube and they start playing my YouTube video. Could it be more worse? So they just started playing my YouTube video and my mom is watching and my dad is watching, and I am like, inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un, gone case. And then after that, and guess what's my mom's reaction? I just looked at my mom and my mom started laughing. Guys, I kid you not, she started laughing hysterically, like कंटिन्यू शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड लाफिंग एंड वो इतना हंस रही है, वो इतना हंस रही है ना, मैं आई कैन नॉट टेल यू. शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड लाफिंग लाइक. मेरी दादी बैठी है मेरे बगल में, मम्मा बैठी है, एंड देन हम पे मेरे एक मामी चाची बैठी हुई थी, and me and my brother are sitting there, and my dad and my dadu are sitting, and my mom just starts laughing continuously, and I'm like, is she laughing at the way it got busted, or is she laughing at me or my content? Like, is it that bad? And then I'm like, okay FIFA, now it's time to shift places. So मैं मेरे भाई के बगल में बैठी थी, and I came and just shifted with my mom, and I'm just trying to just make sure that is she okay, what is the status, is she mad. अब मुझे ना मतलब मस्त एकदम पंचेस मिलने वाले हैं कि आई डोंट नो. एंड देन आई लुक एट माई मॉम एंड सरप्राइजिंगली शी वाज नॉट मैड. गाइस, माई मॉम वाज नॉट मैड एट मी व्हेन विद दिस. मेरा जो बर्डन था ना, it just came off because my mom was not mad at me. I was so happy. I was like, chalo, alhamdulillah, one bullet down. मेरे बाबा ने मुझे हमेशा like if it is good, if it is something that is good, अगर उसमें खैर है, my baba has always supported me. And I was not that much worried about my dad. I was like, because I'm doing right, it's not like मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ. So I had little confidence in my dad, but I was also feeling guilty, because I was like, यार मैंने मेरे बाबा को नहीं बताया, मुझे थोड़ा guilt था, and he had to find out this way. So I had a little bit guilt, but I was not that much worried about my dad. Okay, but still, I wanted that reassurance that yes, he likes it, he's okay with it. All of us are sitting, and these kids, they start playing the video that I had posted last week. ठीक है? And my mom, first of all, she's laughed like anything, you guys. वो इतना हंसी है ना कि उनकी आंखों से ना पानी आ गया. Like, I don't know, mom, was my content that bad? Was it that bad? And then, guess who my mom calls? My mom calls my khala, क्योंकि both of them are two peas in a pod. जो भी होता है, the other one gets updated about it. So yes, my mom calls my khala immediately. She's like, do you know Afifa is on YouTube? And then my khala starts watching all of my YouTube videos. You guys, that is what happened. And then I thought it is going to stop there. It did not stop there. And then my nani came to know. And then my nani told her, like, so technically पूरे खानदान को पता चल गया है. And yes, my parents saw one video. I think it looks manageable. It looks good. I'm not going to get beatings. My Eid has not been ruined. Everything goes good. Guess what these kids do? These kids decide to play another video, and I'm like, God, no. And guess who is motivating them? My dadi. My dadi is actually so sweet, you guys. She was just so happy that my kitchen is clean. More than a video, she was just so happy कि yes, that's मतलब ये मैं पोतरी हूँ. हाँ, ये मेरी पोतरी है, and her kitchen is clean. And so the fact is, it was so adorable to see her because she really liked my videos, and she was just watching like sitting there from the sofa and watching. It was so cute, it was so adorable. Like, I cannot tell you guys how happy she was, and seeing her that way made me happy. And she's motivating कि हाँ भाई एक और वीडियो प्ले करो, हाँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो, अरे अभी बहुत वीडियोस है, रुको सारे प्ले. I'm like, no, please no, ये बहुत हो गया, please stop this right here. And then guys, the thing is, my mom just started laughing, okay, and then she's not telling anything to reassure me or nothing. बस वो हंस रही है, उन्होंने खाला को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया, that's it. And then I'm like, okay, is everything all right? My stomach is tingling like anything. It's like the entire zoo is in my stomach, like literally. And after that, what I do is I start stress coping mechanism. So I had bought mehendi ke stencils, and मैंने क्या किया, just to cope up from the stress, I just put the stencil and mehendi लगाने लगी, because I was like, this is too much to take in. I cannot deal with this. I literally had to go and snatch the phone from my cousin's sister so that she can stop playing my videos. That's how my videos stopped playing. All of this happened, and then after that, that kid, जब आप छोटे बच्चे होते हो, wherever your mom goes, you go. मैं वो बन गई थी. My mom is going to washroom, I'm going with her to the washroom. So wherever my mom is going, I was literally going there. And then after that, I was like, Mom, did you like it? Or like, what do you think about it? And my mom was like, I haven't seen the videos yet. I haven't seen the content yet, but your getup seems good. So that way. And I was like, Mom, what about Dad? Because You guys know it. Our point of communication to our dads and everything is a little bit through mom, right? कि मतलब पूछो ना पापा को बोल के कि वो क्या सोचते हैं, like that kind of thing. And then all this happened, ठीक है, and then शाम का, like it was time to go to bed. So whenever we go to Gaon, it's like me, my mama, we sleep together, and then my baba sleeps at night. Okay, you guys, my mom, she starts teasing me. I kid you not. She's like, oh, so now tomorrow you're going to shoot a vlog. Can you please include me also in the vlog? What are you going to do in the vlog? Oh, can you include your dad also? She has started teasing me like anything. She's not going to sleep, and my dad is just lying down there silent. Like he's not said anything. From the time he saw the video, till that time has not said anything, and that thing is eating me up कि पापा क्यों कुछ नहीं बोल रहे, like did he not like it, what is it, why is my papa not saying anything? And then finally my mom decides to ask my dad ki how is it, did you like it? And then I was just pretending to sleep. And then मतलब मैं सुन रही हूँ हर चीज़, was just pretending to sleep, and then I'm like all I'm awake, and then my ears are open, and then my dad goes like, he approved. You guys was like, yes, I felt really happy, but then she should have just shared with us because apne to kal pata hai chalta. So that's all my dad says, because that's all my dad just tells the important on point things. That's how my dad is, and that was the reaction that I got. And after listening to that, guys, I was like, yes, my mom is not scolding me, my mom is cool with it, so is my dad, alhamdulillah. And yeah, like when the kids started playing the video, it was my worst nightmare. But then alhamdulillah, the thing is, we plan and then Allah plans, and what Allah plans is definitely better. So yeah, and that's how my YouTube thing got unveiled, and I'm telling you guys, my entire family came to know. So this is how it got unveiled, and alhamdulillah the next day मेरी ईद बहुत अच्छी गई.